Hey Cardano community, it's Josh from ATM Staple and you're watching Adapulse, the crypto news channel funded by the Cardano community through Project Catalyst. Now in today's video, we're taking a closer look at SundaeSwap, one of the most popular decentralized exchanges on the Cardano blockchain. So if you've ever wanted to dive into DeFi on Cardano but weren't sure where to start, this beginner's guide to using SundaeSwap is just for you. So let's jump straight in. What is SundaeSwap? SundaeSwap is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, built on the Cardano blockchain, designed to enable users to swap, trade, and provide liquidity for various Cardano native tokens. It's similar to popular platforms like Uniswap or SushiSwap that are on Ethereum, but it benefits from Cardano's fast, low-cost, and energy-efficient environment. I mean, the goal of SundaeSwap is to make sort of DeFi accessible and easy to use for everyone in the Cardano ecosystem. So whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned user, SundaeSwap allows you to interact with DeFi protocols and explore the Cardano ecosystem in a fun and user-friendly way. How to get started on SundaeSwap? Before you can start using SundaeSwap, you'll need a few things in place. The first step is to set up a Cardano wallet. Popular wallets like Daedalus, Yoroi, or Nami work seamlessly with SundaeSwap. Once your wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it with ADA, obviously. That's Cardano's native token, to participate in swaps and liquidity pools. Next, head over to the SundaeSwap website. Once there, connect your wallet by following the on-screen instructions. After connecting your wallet, you'll be ready to interact with the platform. So just like any other DEX, SundaeSwap allows you to trade tokens directly from your wallet without relying on intermediaries, which means you stay in control of your assets. Swapping tokens on SundaeSwap. Swapping tokens on SundaeSwap is pretty easy. Once your wallet's connected, you'll see an easy-to-use interface where you can select the tokens that you want to trade. You choose the asset you're swapping from and the asset you're swapping to. One thing to note is that unlike centralized exchanges, you'll need to make sure you have enough liquidity for the tokens that you want to trade. If the liquidity is low for a particular token pair, you may experience higher slippage. SundaeSwap's liquidity pools ensure that there's enough liquidity for most major Cardano native tokens, but always double check before making any big trades. Providing liquidity to earn rewards. Providing liquidity on SundaeSwap is another way to get involved and earn rewards. By adding liquidity to specific pools on the platform, you're helping facilitate trades for others, and in return, you'll earn a share of the trading fees. To provide liquidity, you'll need to pair two assets, such as ADA and a Cardano-based token like Sunday or whatever. Once you add liquidity to a pool, you'll receive liquidity pool or LP tokens as proof of your share. These LP tokens can be staked to earn SundaeSwap rewards, which are paid out in SundaeSwap's native Sunday token. So keep in mind that providing liquidity does come with some risks as well, such as impermanent loss. So it's important to understand how these mechanisms work before you go gung-ho and diving in. Yield farming and staking SundaeSwap tokens. So once you've earned some Sunday tokens from liquidity mining, you might be interested in yield farming and staking. Now, yield farming is the process of staking your LP tokens or Sunday tokens to earn additional rewards. So to start farming, simply head to the farms section on SundaeSwap, where you can stake your tokens into different pools. As you stake your Sunday or LP tokens, you'll earn more rewards in the form of SundaeSwap's native token. So yield farming is a great way to maximize the potential of your assets, but be sure to evaluate the risks and rewards of each pool before committing your tokens. Fees and transaction time. One of the biggest advantages of using SundaeSwap is Cardano's low transaction fees and fast confirmation times. So unlike Ethereum-based platforms where high gas fees can eat into your profits, SundaeSwap transactions on Cardano are fast and inexpensive, even when the network is busy. However, It's important to remember that when you interact with the Cardano network, whether swapping tokens, adding liquidity, or staking, you'll need to pay transaction fees. These fees are generally pretty low on Cardano, but they still vary depending on network congestion. So always check the estimated fees before confirming any transaction, just to avoid any surprises. Security and decentralization. Now, security and decentralization are top priorities for SundaeSwap. As a decentralized exchange, it doesn't rely on a central authority to manage your funds or transactions. So this means that your assets are always in your control while interacting with the platform. Now, SundaeSwap is built on Cardano's robust proof-of-stake blockchain, which ensures the security of your transactions and obviously the integrity of the network. But on top of that, because SundaeSwap is a decentralized protocol, there is no central entity that can manipulate or censor trades. So further adding to its sort of trustworthiness and reliability. Conclusion. There you have it. You know, a beginner's guide to using SundaeSwap. Whether you're swapping tokens, providing liquidity, or yield farming, SundaeSwap offers a real easy way to get involved in Cardano's DeFi ecosystem. But the best part, it's built on Cardano blockchain, which means you get all the benefits of low fees, fast transactions, and a secure, decentralized network. Now, thanks for watching Adapulse. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on any more Cardano insights. And remember, if you're holding ADA, you can stake it with ATM Stake Pool to earn rewards and help support the network, and me. But anyway, enough of that. I'll see you in the next video.